Good morning, everyone. Well, today I have, actually, I thought I was going to have this out of here by now, but I ended up just stacking the baskets on here because I had to do something with them. And due to my little sister's coming in 3 weeks, I'm thinking I might just have to leave. Well, I think I'm actually going to put this in the room so that she can put her suitcase on it. But I'm going to still use this side. I'm not going to get this emptied probably. I did start pulling out pictures, but that didn't work out well. I did get rid of the metal rack that was standing here. And so since I did that, I've started picking up the things that were on the floor. And one of them, well, I picked up these baskets and stuff, and they're really just empty boxes and stuff that I thought I might put embellishments in. But we'll have to see. I should probably just keep them the way I always do. And then I kept wondering what happened to what I called my fun fair, because that's what Janet called hers. And so anyhow, it's like I kept looking for that. And then I realized, oh, I probably had stuck everything in here because this is the Disney bundle here that I have. And when I was doing the twins things from Disney, and so it's like I started pulling that out, and then I realized I'm going to have to kind of group it together a little bit. This was one of the collections I had in here. Asuka enjoyed the ride, and when I had it just in the plastic sleeve, there was so much down here that it would have been very bulky. So anyhow, I thought I better go through that. So I've been going through that, and I'm going to go through the rest of it so I can get it into, thinner bundles. I started using these plastic sleeves. They hold like 9 things. They're this, bigger pockets. And that way you can kind of put things throughout the pocket so that when you put stuff in here, the bottom isn't so full. So that way I'm going to be able to stick this in here, and instead of it grouping at the bottom, I mean, you still get a lot of that, but not quite as much as what I was. I mean, before I started doing that, it's like I would have probably half the cube full, and it would all just be leaning over to one side because the top would basically be empty. So I had to do that with this one, and I'm gonna be doing that with the rest. So let's see, what else did I do? Well, I took everything off that metal rack, which that actually took my box here that has rubber stamps in it, and I have to say there's very few in here that I actually use, so I'll probably be going through that. And I don't want to, it's like I was gonna buy some Kallax drawers, and I decided I can put one right here, but this is here right now, and then I will have one that sits underneath the desk, because I will want like things near the desk. And since my desk is basically just tabletop, I want something there. And so I was thinking about just running out and getting that today. But I thought I really have to get the other room cleaned up because it is a mess. I did start putting away my jewelry, but I didn't even finish that. But lots of times it's like I'll do orders and then just stick them over there in those trays and just leave them. Okay, I'm going to walk into the other room, so I'm going to cover up the lens so I don't make anybody sick. So this is the room I have to get this cleared out. and it has not gotten much better. I think I've taken two piles of paper out of here, and one from the bed was right here, and then one from over here that was like it was probably 6 inches, maybe 8 inches tall. So I got rid of that. I have emptied all of these baskets. So I think I need to work on this, even though I really want to go get those Kallax drawers, because I know some of the things that I have will be going into that. But, you know, I know it's going to probably be worse before it's better. But, I don't know, part of it is I'm just going to have to go through stuff. So I might just, I mean, I want to clean before she comes too. So I might just put stuff in a box, and, you know, that I know I don't have to look through right now. And, you know, do that with it. But it's really hard because I just want to sit down and purge until I can, you know, see, you know, the silver lining. So I'm working on it slowly, but I didn't get too much done today. I helped hubby with a project he was working on, and so I am trying to get this out of here because I need to, I mean, it's like I just washed the sheets, but I'm gonna have to wash them again just because I put all this stuff on here, and who knows how dusty that is because it's been sitting in my craft room. So that's it. I did have a little headway today, but not much. And if I accomplish anything, I'll be back tomorrow to let you know what I've done. But otherwise, if I'm just gonna, you know, end up packing stuff in some boxes, I probably won't give an update. But I'll talk to you in a couple of days if I don't talk to you tomorrow. So I think I showed you everything in the room. Let me walk over there. Yeah, I just been, you know, I wanted to get this stuff out of here, so I did get that out of there. And I thought about doing this, but, you know, I told you I have 2 drawers that are pictures, and the top drawer, they have to stay. So I just need to know what I'm going to do with them. I only have 1 drawer here that I have to take stuff out of, and that's really just glue. So I probably will just put that in one of the drawers in the Kallax unit. But it's like that's something that I might want to put in. I don't know. I'm still thinking about putting something in there. Maybe that iron shelving with these on there, because that's what I've always had them on ever since I purchased them. And then I could put, like, you know, I buy glue, you know, a big amount of glue just because that way it's cheaper. So I could just be storing all that kind of stuff in that closet, back of the closet. But just when I started taking all the island and the cabinet, or the, you know, the counter out and stuff, I had stuck everything in the closet. And so I had just cleaned it, and now it's just piled. So I don't know, I might just work on that again tomorrow, because if I could get one of these small Kallax units in there, or that iron shelf, I think that would do me a lot of good. So that might be my goal. I might get this stuff put away and then do the closet. You know, it's hard. It's hard to tell because I feel like everything I move is like a domino. I know the husband's like, what are you working on now? And, you know, you do have to have that bed for your sister. And it's like, I said, I know, it's just creating a domino effect, everything. So, hopefully I'll be back with an update where I've accomplished something, because, you know, with the exception of moving some things around to make room for these amusement and fun fair things, I did not accomplish much of anything. So, except for helping the hubby out. So, I'll either be back tomorrow or the next day, but just know I'm still working on it. And thank you for joining me and for cheering me on. I really appreciate all the kind words and support y'all are giving. And have a wonderful and blessed day. And I'll talk to you in the next couple days. Bye-bye.